The Hennepin Tech Student Life and Career Development Team would like to welcome you to a spotlight on culinary careers. In this video, you'll see Hennepin Tech students and faculty in action within the Culinary Arts program. You'll also learn important details about the upcoming Brooklyn Park Culinary Career Fair and which employers will be in attendance.
It's always being reinvented. There's also classical roots in it.
You're allowed to make mistakes and fail, and then you learn from that. And then you also use your imagination, creativity.
I just love the freedom of being able to create whatever I want and make beauty on a plate.
So it's a 2-year program, and they're always surprised at how much is packed into a day. But by the time they're done, they're almost seasoned cooks. We teach them everything from start to finish. We do knife cuts. I teach them butchering. We take down salmon. We take down beef tenderloin. And then the last class is baking. We need to teach them everything from sanitation to cake decorating to ice sculpting, everything.
We do recipes for the day. We practice whatever techniques we need to go over. If it's recipe conversion, if it's difficult kind of meringue, whatever, we walk it through in class. And then we come out here and you start your cleanup, and then you start prepping ingredients, start baking, cooking.
We learned how to fillet a whole fish, from scratch, descale it and everything. We're learning the proper names of things and different measurements. I knew how to cook, but I never really followed recipes, so that's a new thing for me.
And then you can find out, if I add X amount of flour to this cake, it will turn out differently because of how the flour works, how the molecular level of proteins and stuff works. And just understanding that allows you to be much more creative with something.
Students get their first semester downstairs to acquire some skills, and then they come upstairs and run a restaurant. Express those skills. We want them to get an idea of what it's like in the real world, and this is the class that most closely mirrors the real life situation.
You stay in one area for about 3 weeks, and then we rotate around. Say you start from bakery, and then you go to the front of the house, and then from the front of the house you come to hotline. That's the range where you make sauces. It kind of builds your skills so that if you go to the real world restaurant, those things will not be new to you.
What I'm hoping that they gain in this semester is to learn how to read the kitchen. See where the need is, see what needs to be done, and jump in and do it. And the second part of that sometimes is the hardest, which is they have to work in a team.
The hands-on work is what they're here for. That's what they're really eager for. So we're really feeding their spirits, too.
You have to be able to touch the food, work with it, understand why it failed, what you could do better, why it worked, what made it amazing, and just really feel the food, because it's food. You can't know how something tastes by reading about it.
I love watching them feel like they've got a success on their hands. And also, when something fails, when they can troubleshoot it and say, look, and they're real excited about, okay, I learned this from this problem. I watch them be more confident in life and as cooks.
I'm getting 3 calls a week where people are wanting our students. And if they apply themselves, there's no reason why they can't really soar out there.
Their profession can go all over the world. They can travel. Everybody wants to eat. And you can do all sorts of stuff with this. And if you're in love with it, you'll find places to use it.
But if you come and learn the skills, it's even better, because then you understand the foundation of all the food that you're making, and it just gives you a platform for creativity, where you can build off that and make whatever else you want.
We hope you'll join us for the upcoming Culinary Career Fair and Open House, which will be held on Wednesday, January 23rd from 9 to 11 a.m. at the Brooklyn Park campus. At this fair, you'll visit the Culinary Arts program and learn directly from business leaders and seasoned professionals. Afterwards, you can meet and network with employers, explore career options, and learn what a degree in culinary arts can do for you. For current HTC students, we encourage you to visit the Student Life and Career Center in F120 to prepare your resume and learn critical interviewing skills today. If you are a community member interested in attending this event and you're not yet a student, visit our website at hennepintech.edu and under the Future Students tab, click on Admissions and Campus Visits to register to attend. Here are some of the employers who are planning to be at this January 23rd event. HYATT Regency, Minneapolis. Concordia Language Villages. Seek Careers Staffing. Crisp and Green. EHS Hospitality Group. OTG Management. Mall of America. Sodexo. Marriott. And Chick-fil-A. Hennepin Tech students and alumni are able to get help with resumes at the drop-in hours, which are Wednesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1 at the Brooklyn Park campus in room F120, the Student Life Center. Students, it's never too early to start preparing for interviews. Hennepin Tech has a great online resource available to our students called Big Interview. With this online platform, you can learn from hundreds of targeted videos about interviewing. Plus, you can practice and record yourself answering questions. By using this website, students are finding that they can quickly improve their skills in selling their strengths and abilities to employers. Once again, we hope you'll be joining us for the upcoming Culinary Career Fair and Open House, which will be held on Wednesday, January 23rd from 9 to 11 a.m. at the Brooklyn Park campus. Hope to see you there.